Question number 10. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First part you can see. Relation is given R is equal to ordered pair A comma B, where A, B belongs to natural numbers and A is less than B. So for reflexive, let's start from A related to A, or you can say A comma A belongs to the relation. This ordered pair belongs to the relation. So A, or you can write A related to A. So you can say A related to A. So what is the relation? A is less than B. So I will write A is less than A. How can A is less than A? It is not possible. A is not less than A. A is equal to A. So this condition don't satisfy. So it is not reflexive relation. Symmetric. Let A related to B, or you can write A comma B belongs to the relation. So you can write A is less than B. A is less than B, and if I interchange this values B to A, and so B will be what? Greater than A. But according to this condition, I need what? B is less than A. But here it is what? B is greater than A. B is not less than A. So according to the relation, B is not related to A, or B, A does not belong to the relation. It is not symmetric. Transitive. Let A related to B, or you can write like this also. A comma B belongs to the relation, and B comma C belongs to the relation. So A is less than B, AB belongs to relation, so A is less than B and B is less than C. So I can say A is less than C for all values of A, B, C which belongs to natural number. Let's say take number 3, 4 and 5. A, B, C what? 3, 4, 5 respectively. So 3 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5. So 3 is less than 5. So A is less than C. So A is related to C. So this is transitive relation. Now second part you can see. Relation is given A comma B ordered pair. A, B belongs to this R is what? Real numbers. A comma B belongs to real numbers such that relation is given A is less than equal to B. So reflexive. First we have to check reflexivity. So let A is related to A, or AA belongs to ordered pair. AA belongs to the relation. It's not real number. AA belongs to the relation. A is less than equal to A. I can write A is less than equal to A. Yes. A is not less than A, but A is equal to A. So any one condition is satisfying. AA belongs to R, or A is related to A. So I can say this relation is reflexive when the values are same. Now for symmetric, let A comma B belongs to R, or I can write A is related to B. A is related to B. So I can say A is less than equal to B. A is less than equal to B. Or if I interchange the values A and B, at the place of B I will put A, B, at the place of A I will put B, and at the place of B I will put A. So I will get what? B is greater than equal to A. B is greater than equal to A. I will write like this only. So if I interchange directly values, if I will put B here at the place of A, and I put here, is it true? B is less than equal to A. No. B is greater than equal to A. This condition is there. If I interchange B and A, if I interchange A and B, the sign will also change. So the relation is not true for A comma B when I will change the A comma B, I will change to B comma A. A is less than equal to B, so I will, if I will change A to B, I have to write B is greater than equal to A. But B, according to the relation, I want what? B is less than equal to A, but it is not. B is not less than equal to A. Only in one condition it will be symmetric when A and B value is what? 1. Or A or B value is what? 2. All are what? Equal, so I can say A is equal to B is equal to 2, A is equal to B is equal to 1. Any value when both are same. Only in that case you will get that the relation is symmetric. Not for all the real numbers. You won't get, if A is less than equal to B, you won't get B is less than equal to A. Always B will be greater than equal to A. So it is not symmetric relation. Transitive. Let A comma B ordered pair belongs to a relation, and B, C belongs to relation. So according to the relation, I will write A is less than equal to B, and B, C belongs to R, so B is less than equal to C. So in each and every case you will get A is less than equal to C. I can say A comma C belongs to R like this. 3 is less than equal to 5. 5 is less than equal to 7. So you know 3 is less than equal to 5. 5 is less than equal to 7. So 3 is less than equal to 7. So A comma C belongs to R. So this relation is transitive. Thank you.